It's good, everybody. It's H back on the 12 Hub TV video. And yeah, today we are checking out one of my favorite casual shoes. And I'm like a lot behind on sneaker stuff. I've gotten a lot of new shoes, even some stuff before it even comes out. And I haven't been able to make videos. I've been podcasting, working, all this other stuff. You hear it in every intro that I do. But today I'm taking a special look at an Ivy Park shoe because I really mess with this shoe. God bless Beyonce for actually putting out a decent collection this time around with the help of her minions. So let's get right into it. This is the Ivy Park Stan Smith Dipped. Let's go. So, Stan Smith, classic Adidas silhouette. And one thing, look, I'm very critical of Adidas collabs because Adidas collabs tend to be pretty whack. From the Kerwin Frost stuff to any designer that they mess with, a lot of the new, all the new Y3 stuff is just overpriced, over exaggerated kind of with the design, and kind of takes away from like the what Y3 was in the late early 2010s or whatever when they were popping. And there's a lot of stuff that they do as far as, like that. Like, did I say Kerwin Frost already? I don't know. I probably did because that really irks me. Except for those ones with the little bears on the shoe. I like those. Those are dope. But the Mr. Potato Head shoe and all that junk, not a go. But their Simpsons collabs are dope. I'll give them that much. And some of the aesthetics on there. But sometimes they just do lazy stuff, like the Lego stuff, the Star Wars stuff, where they just kind of, it doesn't look right. And whoever they do randomly. Either way, the first couple of drops of Ivy Park were not my thing. Not really a big fan. At least for the men's stuff. I know a lot of her fans buy it, a lot of women buy it in particular. But this time around, they did the unisex thing very well. And a lot of stuff sold out. A lot of stuff really looks good. And we're just here to talk about this shoe because this is one of the pieces that I picked out on my own. Okay, this eventually sold out on their website, okay? It's the Stan Smith. Let's look at that label. Boom. Stan's the IVP. I got a size 12, Stan Smith. All right, so I go true to size in Stan Smith. I don't care. It is what it is. Comes in a pink Ivy Park box. It comes with a dust bag. Don't sleep on dust bags. Look, $110 shoe with a dust bag, okay? These came out, when was it? February 9th, right before Valentine's Day. So they did a Valentine's Day drop of sorts, and they wanted to get these things out there for the kids for that holiday. Now, big thing about these is that they went more premium with the materials, obviously, and did a kind of a dip thing. As you can see, boom, very clean upper, nice, soft but firm leather all the way in here. So these things, look, pink dipped shoelaces. Like, are those red? No, those are red. I'm sorry, those are red. They're dipped shoelaces. They're dipped in like wax. A white waxy shoelace, flat shoelaces. Got a bit of a they're hidden here, kind of a sheath to make it give a little bit more of a formal look. So you can kind of see that it kind of looks like a button up type of deal, like a button up shirt type of deal. You can kind of see that, right, with the cross stitch, with the laces, and then like this dip right here. They dipped it in like Gorilla Glue, yo, and they did a nice even dip too. That looked nice. It's just something about this drew me to this shoe. Like, I was looking. I got these on StockX, by the way, because I missed the drop. It didn't sell out right away, but then I saw that they were still sitting, so I was like, I'm gonna put a bid in on StockX and see what I could get. Ended up copping them for like $80, which is like $30 under retail, and then after shipping and everything, it'd be 105 or so. But got a good deal on them. I think you still get them under retail. They got the red under here, the Adidas symbol, Stan Smith on the tongue, kind of a not a deconstructed tongue, but a very like a thin tongue here. These it says Ivy Park Adidas on the back of the sole. So look, I was looking at these. I was considering getting these versus like the Jordan, what do they call it? Not center courts, because I kind of like those two. These just wonderful because of that dipped look. it's super shiny and glossy and nice right here. And the gum bottom, I'm a sucker for gum bottoms on white shoes, but just this whole aesthetic just looks crazy. Throw some khaki shorts on. It's got this off-white cream color on here. Perfect for the summer. Perfect conversation starter. When you go out and rock these, bro, people gonna be looking and be asking questions, and you just gotta say, yo, I'm repping for, the Beyonce, Knowles, Carter fam, and you're just there. Let me know what you think about these, because I'm definitely gonna rock out with these. I went true to size because Stan Smiths never really bothered me. I have a wide foot, but at the end of the day, there's a little bit of support here. Every time I go a size up on a Stan Smith, it looks crazy on my feet for some reason, because they seem to be long but not that wide. I don't really have any problems with it. They break in pretty fast. This one looks great for what it is. I'm curious to see how this part looks on my feet, but I think it gives me a little bit of room. So we'll see. We'll try them on. We'll give them a run. But tell me what you think about these in the comments below. I'd love to know, because I just don't. I try to be different when I wear casual shoes. This is like in between going out. You could throw on like khakis, do whatever you gotta do with this, some khaki shorts, whatever, and look super fresh. You know what I'm saying? It's not a basic shoe. It's eye catching. It's sexy. It's a sexy shoe to me. But what do you think? Ivy Park, Adidas, dipped in Gorilla Glue. Give me your thoughts down below in the comments. Shout us, subscribe and a holla, and I'll get back to you with another one. This is H. I'm out. Peace. Yeah, so with the on foot, made a couple mistakes. I should have laced them up. I was trying to do them loose lace. They looked all right when I looked down, but as I did the little struts, it looked crazy. I also did not put socks on. Put no-show socks on with these. I'm not wearing socks with these. I mean, you could wear no socks if you're confident. I am confident, but these better with no-show sock for sure, which makes it look like there is no sock either way. I'm wearing some linen pants right here, and super cozy. These are baggy linens. You could go whichever way you want. Maybe you want to wear man capris, whatever. Do your thing. But they don't look bad. They're wide foot friendly for sure. We're like all Stan Smiths for the most part, but definitely lace them up. As you can see on the sides there, we're getting a little bit of extra outage. There is a way to tie them up and hide the laces, since it is under that cover there, those laces. But overall, they look dope. My wife actually complimented me on these and said, hey, she wants a pair too. So I'm like, all right, I got you. We're going to get you a pair. We can match. So that's that. Like, subscribe. Tell me what you think of the Stan Smith, Ivy Park, Beyonce, Gorilla Glue dipped Stan Smiths. I think I said Stan Smith too many times. But yes, 12 Hub TV. Check us out. Check out the podcast, the HQ podcast, and everything else we got going on here. Peace.